speeches. Okay? Prima will be doing the timing for us.
Ishomero rya Sacred Heart Mushanga ku Rugashema ryasingura empaka za Vision Group zo kuhajana ahabye mpinda y'induka y'obwire omara makerere.
Currently, we have statistics showing that Mabira has lost 49,000 hectares of plant cover, which is equivalent to 23.5 billion tons of carbon dioxide emission. Now, they believe, as Team Negative, that we should maintain status quo and rather let the situation keep getting worse, which we do not look at in this case.
Would like to believe that the government understood that this thing did what? Happened. But they did not act at all. And that's why the forest cover of Mabira Forest is really declining. And as far as we know, these forests are really important to our lives and the environment.
Okuzomu mpaka z'akamalirizo aba Sacred Heart Mushanga basinga ntare skule yambara kandi baba mengo SS basinga sorot SS ya soroti.
We understand there is a problem of climate change, but what is the best possible solution? We think government is best suited to actually take on a mantle to combat the effects of climate change. So taking full management of particular areas then becomes a big problem. Why? Because we think government as in itself is going to lose autonomy, but secondly, these particular international entities do not understand the local context.
So we have in Uganda, we are really sensitizing people, and people telling them recycle. If you just bought a Novida bottle right now, you'll find there the word recycle, but that does not mean the person recycles it. He can actually dump it on the ground. So that shows you that the recycling campaign has been there. It has not worked efficiently.
Okurinde by'obuhanga okora birombana b'amashomero nico kigenderwa cy'ehureje ya Vision Group Air Green Schools Initiative. Omuhwezo wa mukuru wa Vision Group Gervase Ndianavo arakugamba ha mukoro gw'yasima abo bona abetabira omuhureje.
Today, the project has successfully reached thousands of students across the country thanks to your sponsorship, sparking conversations and igniting a passion for environmental activism. The sponsored copies have been distributed to schools in low-income communities, allowing students who may not have had access to such resources before to learn about climate change and its impact.
Vision Group ekwatanise na embassy y'ihanga rya Sweden omuhureji kandi omujwecerwa w'ihanga rya Sweden mu Uganda Dr. Antonio Querido yasima habwe kiriyoni kikorwa okugaruza eby'obuhangwa. Ehureji ya Green Schools Initiative yatangira kutandika ko mwaka ogu eriyo netibwa mu sente z'urukika kahumbi kamwe na miliyoni rushanje mu sente za Uganda kandi nayo kumara mezi 15 ahabwa TV West nde era akiza.